They're dead. Every single one of them. And not just the men, but the women. And the children, too. Like animals, and I slaughtered them like animals. I will be the most powerful Jedi ever. It's all Obi-Wan's fault. He's jealous. He's holding me back.
Greetings, Saber fans. We've got another one out of the park here. We've got a Ultimate Works AA completed for Derrick. This particular one looks an awful lot like the Watto's Junkyard, but it's definitely from Ultimate Works. We used a Kaiburr Custom Sabers removable 18650 chassis, which is interesting because it does feature a 2.1mm charge port, 24mm bass speaker, and the 3mm LEDs up here lining up with the ones in the hilt, and there's a PCB, hilt-side PCB and holder supplied by Derrick for this one. Proffie 2.2 running OS 5.9. We took some of the supplied fonts from Derrick and remixed a little bit of it for some more Phantom Menace Anakin quotes on it. Quoting Jeremy here, just make sure you always take your 18650 and you know, spring side towards the negative, button goes towards the button. On this particular chassis, we've got little blinkies that will shine through the side here, and we've got some custom quotes as mentioned using the aux and the ignition buttons that'll go through to your buttons that are located in the hilt here.
Kaiburr crystal power level.
In this particular preset, we've just got one preset there that does your battery indication using the blade, and then of course after that you start cycling into your regular fonts.
They're dead. Every single one of them. And not just the men, but the women. And the children too.
Don't roll. Try to have this chassis not roll away on me. So yeah, interestingly enough, when you go to actually use this one, what we've done is made it so that there's a, it's hard to see I guess, but on the inside of the tube there's a discrete set screw that's hidden beneath all this nonsense here. And it can't be taken out, there's nothing to get to it, but what it does is it allows alignment with the chassis with a small slot in the top of the PCB and the chassis here, because getting the thing perfectly aligned with the buttons and LEDs is a little bit of a difficult task, but this slot makes it really easy. You just slide the whole chassis in, you can rock it back and forth until you line up with that slot, then you just push it all the way in. It won't move back and forth at all. Then you can take, without any tools, just grab onto the whole CoverTech wheel and clamp the chassis down lightly, and it's ready to go. And then of course you can ignite your saber. Nice and easy. So, coming to you pretty soon. Hope you enjoy this. If you've got any other questions about it, feel free to give me a contact and I'll try to clear it up for you.